What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your LinkedIn profile creation and I will show you your profile creation date. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and type in LinkedIn. So you will be redirected to this official home page of LinkedIn. So if you already have a LinkedIn account, just simply log in, or if you don't have a LinkedIn account, just sign in with your email and create a LinkedIn account. Remember, you can log in or sign up your Gmail or Microsoft account, whichever you like or whichever you are available with. So here, as you can see, I have entered my email and my password, and I'll just click on agree and join. I'll write my first and last name, continue. Remember, if you have enabled two-step verification on your account, it will ask you for your PIN password or verification code that will be sent to your email. Just simply type in that code and you will be welcome to LinkedIn. So as you can see, I have finished my email verification and now I will be just simply redirected to the main page of LinkedIn. So here, as you can see, it asked me that what's your most recent experience? You can always change this later. For now, I'm going with student and I'll just simply enter the details and we'll click on continue. So as you can see, I have entered my details and I'll just simply click on continue. It has sent me a code on my email. I'll just write the code. After writing the code, it will ask you, are you looking for a job? You can select yes if you are looking for a job. If not really, just click on this option, or if not, click on this option. So here are some of the profiles that if you want to connect with them, you can just click on this connect button to connect with them. But I don't want to connect with anyone for now, so I'll just skip for now. And I'll skip this to add a photo. If you want, you can add your photo. After that, on the right side, click on finish. So now you have been redirected to the home page of LinkedIn. From here, on the top profile, click here once and you will see the option of settings and privacy. Click on this option. After that, you will see profile information, display, general preferences, and from here, click on option of data privacy. And here you will see the section of how LinkedIn uses your data. Click on this first option, manage your data and activity, and this will show you when you joined your LinkedIn and what all were your activities on LinkedIn. So this is how you can find out your profile creation date on LinkedIn. So that was all for this video. Thank you for watching.